dogs. We almost reached the pet shelter.
No puppies for sale. Hot shelter and hot body. Oh, whether the madam nak the shelter to
Hey. Kitty. It's a lot of kitty. A lot of cats inside. Can't really see much, but yeah, it's a lot. There's more over there. It's very funny. It's like all of them just sit there and watching them having meal. Oh, hi, big kitty. Big kitty. Meow meow. Meow. Hi, kitty. This looks sad. Hi. Meow. It's like a lot of kitty. Meow. Oops, angry, angry. Meow. Hi. Hi, kitty. Hi. Meow. Meow. Hi. Some of the cat is just, I think most of the cat is rescued by the lady who owns this place, or she's the organizer for all these cats and dog shelter. Hi, kitty. Meow meow. Meow. Meow meow. Hi, kitty. Hi, kitty. Hi, kitty. She's preparing the food for them. So here is the dog shelter. So you can hear, there's a lot of dogs in it. Very noisy. There's lots of dogs. guess, because it was raining, and I think we're supposed to paint something on the building or something. So we have to wait until the sun is up and dry the wall or something. Oops, it's hot. And yeah, after that we can paint the building. So this is actually a fish farm over that side, and it's a very big fish farm. And this is actually the back of you know, the dog shelter. Just now you see, so they can just, you know, go to the back and do their business or something. So yeah, it's been modified or renovated from the first time that I came here. It's now way better because last time they don't have the rooftop and they don't have the like so-called mojet to the place. It's just a cement. So now it's all nicely done. It's good for them. Hi Godfather, how are you doing? You want to scratchy? Do you want some scratchy? He's the very fierce type, but I don't know why he just quite like me sometimes. He let me touch him and scratch him. So yeah, you want scratchy? Do you want scratchy? You want scratchy, aren't you? Huh? You want scratchy, aren't you? Hmm? No biting. Yeah? There's no biting. Scratchy is nice. He likes scratchy a lot. Does it feel good? You feel good, Dad? You feel good? Yeah. They start to paint the wall of the shelter. This is some others volunteer mixing with paint so we can paint it on the wall.
So I would think that
Wow, I'm so artistic.
Jennifer is just doing the glasses.
Yeah, but so artistic. So good.
artistic.
Maybe you can draw flowers.
You're autistic, ah?
Artistic.
Evil, Jack. Jack is evil. Evil Jack. Philip is not here today.
Sun is mine.
Your sun is bleeding.
Sun, no.
The sun is bleeding.
The bleeding sun.
What color one is it? The sky or is the...
Hey Stephen, no need so perfect, right? Stephen is a perfectionist.
Hi.
Later you do touch up here, okay? Then maybe we can draw some flowers.
Yeah. Touchness.
Good. Trust me, we can do it. I think I feel like running tulip.
Can I draw sunflower?
Yeah.
Sunflower.
Why don't you draw here?
Yeah, but there's a white color there.
Fly around mirror.
Where?
Right hand side. Underneath the bee.
So this is our end product. I think it's very nice. And the sun. I like the bee. And some of them is not finished yet, so we already finished ours. What do you think? It's nice, right? Well, we put a lot of effort in it, so thumbs up this video, will you? Oh, he's so cute. Look at the face. Hi. Hi. Oh. Hi there. Hi there. Hi. Hi there. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. There's more down there and over that side. They're all nappy. Aww. Hi. Hi.
They must have done it the wrong way.
This is the durian. Tell them how the durian tastes like.
Aromatically superb, nice, fleshy meat. Sweet, tender, salty, sour, everything in one.
Do you wish that he's like a sleepy mode?
We're gonna eat this durian soon and finish it all.
Holding a heart.
They have different colors. One is like very yellowish and one is like pale.